Hey guys, Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care. Wanted to make a quick update on the LaserEdge self-sharpening blades. We currently used it for a week on several cleanups. I don't think I made an hour video on this one, but I did do one on this one, and all we did was, again, 522.8 hours. Not sure if it's gonna really make a difference on this. I think I should wait, but no, why not? Hell, let's see what it looks like. Right now, this one, for a fact, I've been using it for a whole week. We've been doing a lot of cleanups, and like I told you before, guys, I called the guys up at LaserEdge and I told them, hey, listen, this is the one that I usually use a lot more. This one, the 38 is going to take a long, the 36 is going to take a long time because, again, we only use it in the backyard. But the 48 we are definitely using it on a daily basis, and I can promise you that it's probably about 20 hours. We've been doing a lot of cleanups, and if you need to see certain portion of cleanups, check out my library of videos on the channel. But let's see what it looks like after 1 week of use, right? And to show you that this is legit, guys, look at under my deck. See, I need to clean that, man. It's embarrassing, but it is what it is. All right, so here you go. This is 1 week. 1 week. Oh snap, look at that, guys. And I'm telling you, I'm not being paid for this, guys. I'm not being paid for this. This thing is still sharp. And let me be honest with you, by this time I would have sharpened my blades at least twice, okay? Because I sharpen my blades 2 to 3 times a week to get that nice crisp cut. Let me bring this up. Gents, look at this. Damn, I wish I... Hold on for a second. Hold on, let me show you something. Hope you can see my face. All right, guys, listen, again, I'm just like you, okay? I'm a skeptic. I'm telling you, I'm just like you. This is a whole week of doing cleanups. All those cleanups that you've been watching every day, this is a whole week. So, we'll just put this here. Look at that. I'm not ripping it. This is cardboard. Just to show you that this is sharp. Damn, I wish, I'm telling you, like smell-o-vision, I wish I could show you. But guys, let me see if I can bring it closer. And I hope this GoPro is getting the details. But this blade is still, look, I haven't even worn down the little piece in the back. And again, guys, I haven't sharpened my blade the whole week, and I have them on here. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let me, hold on. Let me put this on. No, because I got to clean that. 1 second. Let's see what it looks like. Now, on this one, you can see the little curvature right here. See the little curvature right here? So that means that it's being worn. And this is coming off also. And little coating in the back. But it's still sharp. Even though it's bent, it's twisted, just worn out just right here, it's still sharp. I can still feel it. Remember the other one I was just going like this? This is the other part, just going like that. With this one I can't do it because it's too sharp. Again, this is only a week, guys. And I'm being honest with you. Again, I'm gonna have to call these guys out, man. I need to get some compensation for these videos, right? This thing worked, man. Right now, guys. Right now, I'm convinced. All right, this is only a week. Thank you. This is only a week, but again, within this 1 week period, guys, thank you, I would have sharpened my blades twice. Okay, so as of right now, this saved me 2 blade sharpening per all my mowers. Okay, and again, I will continue these videos like this, guys, legit, because again, I want to show you guys, and I want to convince myself that it's worth the money. These blades are worth the money. But right now, it saved me 2 sharpening, and they're still sharp. So I'm there, but I'm not quite there. Okay, let's see how long this is going to save me time, because it's all about time and labor, right? Cool. All right, guys, put in the comments, man. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what your thoughts are. And again, sandy soil conditions, we are mowing on average of the highest I've mowed right now was 3 inches. Everything else that I'm mowing is below 3 inches. As a matter of fact, one lady, oh, sorry for the sun, one lady property I mowed at 1.50. The one at the golf course, 1.50. Took it down real low. She wants it real low. So yeah, another week down, guys. Don't want to extend this too long, but let me know in the comments. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Other than that, guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos, man. I appreciate it. What did I want to bring up? Oh, for you guys that ask, remember when I told you about the herbicide that you can put inside the junipers? Where is it? You can put it inside the junipers, and you can spray it over junipers, and it won't kill the junipers, but it will kill all the weeds inside the juniper. Bam. Certainty herbicide. This is what we use on junipers. Okay. Again, guys, I'm in a southern climate with junipers. It states what kind of junipers you can actually put this on, and what the rates are. Don't ask me about the rates, guys. You read a box. Hopefully you carry a pest applications license. Okay, I've had a lot of you guys asking me, hey, what kind of this, what kind of that, what kind of this should you put on your lawn, what kind of herbicide, hey, again, you need to be licensed to do this on people's lawn, guys. You know, you guys out there putting out even Roundup, you know, you cleaning people's beds with Roundup, your butt is not licensed. Don't get caught. I'm telling you. Don't say, well, Johnny from Blaze of Grass said I could do it. Bullshit. No, man, make sure that you are licensed. And guys, utilize it. Another thing that I'm testing this year is the Bayer Advance, the 3-in-1 weed feed Southern Lawns. I want to see how well this works. I know it's a homeowner property, but I have two clients that I'm using it on, and I just want to see. I want to see for myself what, you know, how well it works, because if you can have a product like I say, if you can have a product that does 3 things in one, why not try it, right? Because I'm all about trying new things, guys. You know, I'll be your guinea pig. I try new things, I document it, and then I come back and say, man, use this stuff because it works. All right, guys, I'm extending this video too long. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Remember, when it comes to application rate of the certainty, I'm not going to go into that. Read the box, go on the internet, Google it. Use this product at your own risk. I'm only letting you know that it's out there. It exists, and yeah, I'm not plugging it or anything like that, because I didn't mention it in my video yesterday. And check out the top box for the video. And also, just so you know, I will keep making videos and letting you guys see exactly how these blades work. And yeah, we went out to the commercial property yesterday and hooked this joker up. See how dirty it is? Yep. And I'm not washing it today, guys, because I have another commercial property. Spring cleanup, man. Spring cleanup. All right, now spring cleanups are in full effect. We're hitting them up. We're making that dollar. You know the deal. Keep it rolling. All right, guys. Pop smoke. Take care of yourself. Peace.